What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is AALIYAHJAY. If you're not new here, make sure, wait, I think I said it backwards. If you're new here, my name is AALIYAHJAY, and make sure you subscribe. If you're not new here, what's up? So today is a very, very important day. I'm going to be a fashion critic today. I absolutely love this look. You look ravishing, darling. Cheerio. It's a no for me, darling. I'm sorry, but you did not make the cut. No? What do you guys think? One day, that'll be me. So today I'm gonna be doing the best and worst dressed, in my opinion, of the LACMA Gala 2021. So for those of you who don't know, LACMA stands for the Los Angeles County Museum of Art. So this is basically an art and film gala. Everyone from the art community, the entertainment community, the fashion community, everyone that has something to do with some type of art is at this gala. And everyone comes in their best dress. It's not like the Met Gala, but it definitely is giving gala vibes, okay? And they basically honor influential people in the industry. So people definitely showed up and showed out. I'm just gonna give my honest opinion, and this is my opinion. You guys might not agree, but guess what? That's your opinion. This is mine. So let's get started. All right, so let's see. First up, we have Elle, and she is in Gucci. And I have to say, this looks amazing. Honestly, this look makes me feel like American Horror Story. I absolutely love it. Like the bow on the neckline, the dark lipstick, everything about this outfit is amazing. I literally have no comments because it's just that amazing that, like, how dare you even comment on this dress? That's how I feel. Period. Elle. Period. Next up, we have Billie Eilish, and she is in Gucci as well. I don't like this at all. At all. Okay, I feel like for this like gala, she should have went how she usually goes, which is kind of like, you know how sometimes she wears like those tomboyish looking looks, which to me, she kind of actually does feel a little still more tomboy because I guess her hair, she has the shag, which is her go-to hairstyle. That is Billie Eilish. But I don't know, it's something about the neckline that's just making me like not really like this and make me feel as if this outfit just doesn't fit her. And really, when it comes down to it, you can't really see really the outfit. You really just see more so like the mesh and then the bra, and it really just does feel really like this upper area really feels like very Gen Z, because I feel like a lot of like the young kids these days wear something like that, which I get because it's Billie Eilish. Like, you know, Gen Z is her audience, so I get it, but I just feel really bored. Like, I don't know, like her hair is just like, it just feels like she just like woke up in the morning and like went to the gala. And I feel like that's fine for her because that is her look. But why didn't the outfit kind of go with it, you know? It just feels really confusing. I love like the little jacket that she has under, but I don't like the stockings with the long dress and then like the platforms. It just feels, I personally just don't like it. I feel like it has, you know, you want to know what too? Sometimes when you're looking at these pictures, you might see a picture. Like, it really does depend on who's taking the pictures. Sometimes Getty doesn't take good pictures. So it really does depend on that. And this is just not a good picture. Maybe it looked better in person, and maybe it looked a lot more edgier, but I don't like it. I feel bored, especially with that peach lip color. Please, okay, we could have did something better. Okay, next up we have Miley Cyrus and Gucci, and she is wearing a full tuxedo with the bag and the shoes to match. This is the Gucci and Balenciaga collection, which I actually am gonna do a video on. I'm gonna be reacting to the whole Balenciaga and Gucci collection that they did. So if you guys want to see that, make sure you're checking my channel somewhere or you're subscribing to stay updated. So Miley also has a shag just like Billie Eilish, and she has on a tuxedo. Now, think about this. What if Miley and Billie Eilish switched outfits? That would literally work. Like, Billie Eilish should have wore this. Why the hell would they put Billie Eilish in that damn long ass skirt with stockings and a platform when that's not even her, like, that's not even her body, like, that's not even her vibe. Like, Billie Eilish should have been wearing a tuxedo. That's her vibe, you know? But nonetheless, I love this on Miley. Miley does no wrong. She has the shag, as the Gucci down. She is Gucci down, and I don't know, I just really love this. Like, I absolutely love this. She has the white tuxedo, she has the green eyeshadow to match the outfit, and she does no wrong, ever. Obviously it's hosted by Gucci, as you can see in the background. We have Lil Nas X, and he is wearing a Gucci outfit. I have to say, I love this outfit. I absolutely love the color. I don't care for the shoes. It might be the I don't know. I actually do like the shoes now that I think about it. I think we could have picked a different type of brown shoe, because black wouldn't have worked at all, and white wouldn't have worked. I would have been doing too much. So I do like the brown shoe, but I think I don't like the darker brown toe. But I don't mind it, okay? I really don't mind it. But I absolutely love this. I love the little peach color along with the yellow. I love, love, love it. This looks great. He looks very handsome and very sharp, polished, all of that. Next up, we have Paris Hilton, and she is wearing Pamela Roland. And I have to say, I don't really care for this look. I feel like Paris's outfits are so repetitive. Like, she wears a lot of white, she wears a lot of crystals. I feel like lately I've been seeing her in a lot of white and crystals, especially because her wedding is coming up, or something about her wedding, I don't know, but I've been seeing like pictures of like her Paris is in Love show or something like that, and she's been wearing a lot of white. And I feel like because she's been broadcasting her wearing white and crystals, that this should have been a moment where she wore some color. You know what I'm saying? Just because she's been wearing white so much lately, and that should have just been left for the show. I don't know, I just really don't care for it. I feel like she should have wore some color. So okay, so we have Salma, and she is in a Gucci gown, and this might be worst dressed of the night. Worst dressed. I'm sorry, but this might have to take that one. It's a gradient sequence tube top. What year are we in? Are we in like the year like 2002? This, and then it's like a clutch with just a big old like chain. For one, I feel like if she was gonna wear such a dress that was such a big statement, because this dress is such a statement, it's already gradient, it's black at the top, and then a sequence. There should have been no necklace. No necklace would have made her look so much more elegant. But with the necklace, it almost gives like auntie, very old vibes, like trying too hard. A very gorgeous woman, but I just don't like this at all. I don't even know why this dress is even made, to be honest. Yeah, worst dress. So we have Hailey Baldwin, and she is in Saint Laurent. Oh my God. She looks amazing. Amazing. Even her pose in this picture, she looks like a model. I mean, she is, but wow. Like, she just does it. She's doing it. It's just like so sophisticated and simple. It is literally the definition of class. I love the little bun, her hair up with the dark lip, the really gold bracelets. I love it. I love this. I absolutely love this. This looks rich. I feel like if I seen anyone in this, I would be like, she got money. Oh my God. Okay, we have Jodie Turner-Smith, and she is wearing Gucci. Literally, heart rate flat. I just died because what? This? Okay, she might have won best dress. Right now, it's between her and Miley, but this? Wow. First off, we're gonna start at the top of the top. This hair, the makeup, the outfit, the skin tone, everything about this is A1. A fucking 1. This is it. Gucci, where was you at for the first couple of pictures? Like, what's up? This is it. The pink blush is sending me with the green eyeshadow. Oh, I love it. I'm literally getting goosebumps. I love it. Next up, we have Tracee Ellis Ross, and she is in Gucci. And I have to say, I absolutely love this look. I feel like there's no one else that would be able to wear this look besides Tracee Ellis Ross. There's something about her that when she puts on things that other people would deem as weird or crazy or really loud or just like really outspoken, she looks really good in it. And it's just like, this is her entire brand. She looks really good in things that people wouldn't normally wear. I absolutely love this. Like, I love this head to toe. Love it. Next up, we have Aquafina, and she is in Gucci. And I actually love this. I really do like this outfit. Would I wear this? I don't know if I would wear this, but this looks really, really nice on her. And I feel like it specifically looks nice on her because it really does fit her body type. If this was on a person with a more vigorous body type, very more voluptuous, or just like a little more curvy, it wouldn't look as good. But because she has almost like the typical body type, because when I was saying voluptuous, I meant like, you know, that BBL body. But because she has the normal body type, it looks really good on her. And I like that the fact that they just put her hair straight back. I think that was a really smart idea, because if they did anything else, it'll be doing way too much. I really love this. I love the feathers at the bottom of the dress. Does she have on gloves? I like that too. I like this. Next up, we have Addison Rae, and she is in Saint Laurent. And I'm gonna say, I really, really like this look. Like, wow, she looks really mature. She's very, very young, but she looks really mature. I love the fact that they did like that simple makeup and a matte lip. And they pin her hair back. I absolutely like this look, and it's not showing too much cleavage where she looks older than her age. She looks like a class act. She just looks very classy and very upscale. So I do like this. I really do like this. Okay, next up we have Bella Poarch. We don't know what outfit she's wearing because it does not list it here. First off, I hate this look. I don't like that. Okay, wait, she might get worse dressed. I hate this. Can we all just acknowledge the fact that she's trying to do like an Ariana Grande moment with her hair, where she wears this one hairstyle everywhere and you'll never catch her without it. Which, you know, obviously is not a bad thing because she is becoming an actual music artist, but no comment. I don't like this because it just, I don't know why, but it feels very Ariana Grande, because I guess the hair and then like the boot, and then like this almost feels very like Fashion Nova, like the two slits, and then it's like this ugly ass pink, and then like, I don't know, what's the pill bag about? Is that a purse? I don't like that. It's not even the same pink. Throw it away. Oh my God! Charli D'Amelio. Okay, wait, hold the fuck on. Hold on. Charli looks breathtaking. Wow. She looks amazing. Wow. It's so crazy because if you think about it, this is such a plain ass outfit. She got plain ass hair, plain ass makeup, barely any jewelry on. She just looks so classic and gorgeous and beautiful. This is gonna go down in history for her, okay? This is gonna be one of her best looks that she's ever done in her entire life. Mark me on that. She looks absolutely breathtaking. I've never seen her look this amazing before because, I don't know, she's just really young, so everyone who just dresses her like, they're trying to find like this middle ground. But wow, she looks amazing right here. She doesn't even look like herself. I almost didn't even recognize her. Next up, we have Dove Cameron, and she is in Gucci. Now, why wasn't Billie Eilish in this? This is what she should have wore. Billie Eilish has color to her. She has fun to her. She has more of like a funky attitude. Billie Eilish should have wore this. I'm still stuck on that. She should have wore this. This is what she should have wore. And Dove Cameron should have wore what Billie Eilish had on. They should have swapped. I'm very upset about it. So that is all of my thoughts on the LACMA gala. Let me know what you guys think below. I'm very upset about what they put on Billie Eilish because she should have wore what Miley had on, a Dove Cameron had on. And I'm very upset about that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down below what you guys think. I feel like a lot of people did, you know, they came, they brought their A game. Charli D'Amelio ate everybody up. I'm just saying that right now. She ate it up. Miley and Jodie Turner-Smith, they definitely came to serve. They left no crumbs. They ate everything, including the plate. Okay, so those are my best dress. I think my worst dress is gonna have to be that one with the sequins. Oh my god, it gives grandma. It just feels like a grandma. And you know, yeah, thank you. Oh yeah, Bella Poarch too. Oh, it's a tie between them. And those are my thoughts. Remember, my thoughts, not yours. Those are mine. But if you do want to share your thoughts, you can sound off below. I would love, love, love to hear what you guys think. Do you agree with me? Do you not agree with me? And if you don't agree with me, who do you not agree with me on? Let me know down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. These are so fun. Let me know what else you want to see on Raiden Outfits, and I'll be sure to deliver that. Thank you guys. Bye.